Hey guys, sanibona awungeke ngicasukile. You can't be telling me ukuthi kwishow enkulu kanjena such as a homecoming akukho lutho nje olwenzakalayo except for lo msangano lo kaVusi noShobani. Awungeke guys, these guys who are writing this thing should be taking us seriously by now. Akwazi. I'm really pissed by the storyline there. Everything is boring. Lento kaShobani umsangano, there's nothing entertaining about it. Bese soba lo mbhedo kaVusi noMalanga nabo. Nayo nje. Isn't there something better that we can talk about? Something better that we can watch except for this? Yeah, I know I'm complaining. Maybe you guys are probably enjoying this, but I am not. And I want to talk about this and more here in this video. But before I continue with the video, I would like to request you guys to like and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down so that you can watch my past videos. And I hope that you are going to enjoy watching this. So let's get back to it. Now, ngibuka there is an episode of Homecoming and I'm like, hayibo. Ngampela ayikho into engcono singayibuka ngaphandle kwalezi score lezi eziyi-2 with boring storylines because akunalutho lenzakalayo la kahle. Mina I thought basibuyisela uMankwanyana at least sibone uMankwanyana fighting against uCaptain, uMankwanyana fighting to get her money back. That one at least bebe kuzoba leshandeske kaShobani. Manje sibukela uShobani ngapha with his boring storyline. Uvusi ngapha naye uzikhathalele nje, there's nothing happening laphayana ngaphandle kwamaphathi nakhona ngayindawo. I mean, now since eqala thought was promising because everyone was threatening ukuthi uzoyeka ukubuka le show since usifisa sehambile. Now I'm realizing ukuthi ngancwathi ngangivane nabo ngavele ngayeka kwaseqaleni ukuyibuka because I can't be watching this. I mean, labantu abasithathe serious. Angazi guys, mhlambe mina was overreacting over nothing. Comment on the comment section. What do you think? Are you really enjoying Homecoming recently? Like in the past 2 weeks, because in the past 2 weeks, and I'm really not liking it. So comment on the comment section. And if you agree with me on this one, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, even on your TikTok. So with all of that being said, this is the end, and thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.